Hi everyone, welcome. This is our art lesson and we're going to be making a nature mobile, and I have actually started mine. So your supplies came in a brown paper bag that says nature mobile on it, and I have started. So this is my stick that I got. So your stick just came in the bigger bag, and let me show you my workspace and then we can start working some more. So I've kind of sorted things out a little bit. These are the strings, and I already started, and I'll tell you what I've done. You all got more, I think, of these in your bag. Here is a pine cone, a shell. I made some little containers, or found some containers to put some of the beads and things that might roll around in. So you might want to get a little bit organized before you start. But then the first thing is to tie a string onto your stick on both ends, so one at a time. So you can tie it around there and get some help if you need to, but if you're practicing your tying, you can tie it on there and then tie it on the other side. And then I'll show you when you hold it up like this. This is when you'll eventually be able to hang it up from this part here. I have tied on a little sweet gum ball with a piece of string. Now I'm getting ready to tie something else on. I'll show you what I did. I just made a little bead hanging here, and I'm going to tie that on. So I'm sitting here, this has been working for me, with my stick sort of balanced on either leg, and I'm just going to tie this on here. Double knot. And then that hangs down. It's kind of fun to look at it, how it goes. You will notice that when you tie things on, it's going to change how this balances, which is kind of fun. If you tie something heavy on this end, what do you think will happen? This end will go down. So then you might want to tie something on this end too to balance it out. So let's keep going. We got this pod. Robin found these in her yard. I think she said they're locust pods. You shake it. It makes some noise. It's got seeds inside. So I'm going to tie this, I think I'll tie this one over here and see what happens. I used my ribbon for this, but you can use any of the different pieces of string. Got different types of string for you to experiment with. It's a little bit sticky on the end. My piece of ribbon is sticking to itself. That's okay. I think I can get it. There we go. Okay. Now I have 3 things. Let's tie something else on this side. Okay. Let's see what I have here. I have the star button. I think I'm going to use my string for this. Now this little button isn't from nature, but it represents something that's in nature, which is stars. So I'm going to put this on here, tie it, and then I'm going to also attach. I think I'm going to try to attach my let's see. I think I'll just hang that on there. So now I can my little star. Let's do one more thing together. Let's try this pine cone. See how the pine cone has little ridges? I'm going to try to tuck my yarn around that to hold it up. Probably be able to just make a little knot here. And something kind of fun might be to put a few more beads on here to dress this one up a little bit. Like so many of our art lessons, this one is all about creativity, using the materials that you have in ways that you think are beautiful. I'm going to put a little knot on there, just those on there. I'm ready to hang this. This is a little bit heavy, so let's see. I think I'll put this one right about here. Then I want to show you an example of another mobile. I'm not quite sure of the right pronunciation, in our classroom. All right, here's how mine's looking so far. I love it so far. Okay, just a second. We'll be right back to show you.